Okay, since I have my first PTO time, I thought I'd go for a walk over here at G Creek. Trying to figure some things out when applying for jobs. I tried working for DoorDash for 1 hour. I made $4.75. I am not impressed. So I called on a couple job applications this morning. What else did I do? Got a call from Desiree's lawyer. We got to work on finding Desiree a doctor to fill out paperwork. So I've got plenty of things to work on. It's just prioritizing things. So I'm prioritizing my health here and going for a hike. Wonder where this goes. This might just be a dead end here. I wish I could live right next to a forest. It's so peaceful. Oh, I think this goes down directly to the river. Might have to take this trail back out where we came from. Yeah, this goes right down into the water down there. I'm going to turn around. Oops. Little lines had a duck under. I love the fresh air and love low humidity that early fall weather is starting to bring, even though it's not officially fall yet. Thinking about doing the two separate sides of G Creek, both trails. So there's a magic herb for balancing hormones. Really frustrating. I want the energy I had back in my 30s. It would be awesome. I'm thinking about spending 30 minutes this morning after I'm done here and go lift some weights over at Joe's. Then I need to get my backpack out and stuff some things in that and start getting used to carrying that so I can get in shape for the backpacking trip. Because it's probably only a month away actually. So yeah, I better get started on that. I need to make myself a to-do list today. I've made one in my head, but I need to type in a list of things I want to get done this week. There's always lots of phone calls for Abigail, I guess, to get one of her teeth taken out. We'll probably have to get an oral surgeon for the other 5 baby teeth that need to be removed. Then Joshua needs an orthodontist referral, Social Security, wants paperwork, proof of income. For Abigail's disability, I need to write that list down. Find my notebook where I want to write stuff down in my planner. This is so nice to have some time off and go walking. If I could find a partner to go with, I'd love to get in some kayaking in this week, or like Goforth Creek. I wish I had a water filter to take some of that fresh water at Goforth Creek. Nothing like it.